In a world obsessed with cutting the cord, does a wired keyboard still hold its own? The Keychron C2 makes a compelling case, proving that sometimes reliability and precision are simply unmatched. This isn't just another full-size mechanical keyboard. It's a meticulously crafted tool designed to maximize your productivity, whether you're deep into a spreadsheet or enjoying some light gaming. Right out of the box, the C2 impresses with its robust build and thoughtful design. It's a full 104-key layout, complete with a number pad, which for many is an absolute essential for daily tasks. But what truly sets it apart is its dedication to Mac users. Keychron has optimized the C2 with all the necessary multimedia and function keys you'd expect, making it feel like a native extension of your Apple setup. And for those who jump between operating systems, it's fully compatible with Windows 2, even including a dedicated Siri or Cortana key. They even throw in extra keycaps for both Mac and Windows, which is a really smart touch, ensuring your legends always match your OS. The wired USB Type-C connection might seem old school to some, but it's a deliberate choice for unwavering reliability. No battery anxiety, no input lag, just a constant, stable power supply that's perfect for long work sessions and those moments of light gaming where every keystroke counts. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The inclined bottom frame and two-level adjustable feet mean you can find that sweet spot for typing ergonomics, reducing strain over hours of use. Underneath those keycaps, you'll find durable Gateron G Pro Red mechanical switches. These linear switches offer a smooth, consistent keystroke with a satisfying responsiveness that's a joy to type on. With a 50 million keystroke lifespan, this keyboard is built to last, providing that premium feel for years to come. And speaking of keycaps, the double-shot ABS legends aren't just for show. They allow the vibrant RGB backlight to shine through beautifully. You get over 15 types of dynamic RGB effects to play with, or if you prefer a more understated look, a static white backlight mode is also available to match your mood. The Keychron C2 isn't trying to reinvent the wheel, it's perfecting a classic. It's a dependable, versatile, and comfortable keyboard that truly understands the needs of both Mac and Windows users. If you're looking for a no-nonsense, high-performance wired mechanical keyboard that just works, and works incredibly well, the C2 is an outstanding choice.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.